Yeah, I hope to learn and build on some of the experience I have and my understanding of sociobioeconomy, and learn from the other participants about what's worked and what their challenges are and the things that we're doing in Ecuador, or we're trying to understand what sociobioeconomy is to construct that with this understanding, right? And I think something really unique that we're doing in this conference is we're looking at sociobioeconomy and investments for conservation, right? And many times these two worlds are distinct. And we're having this hypothesis that investment in conservation, right, can help support the social bioeconomy, and these two worlds can be linked and to create better outcomes, social outcomes as well as environmental outcomes and conservation for the Amazon. And so I think we're really building this great new idea and connecting these two themes that will combine with the bigger program that the University of Florida with the Moore Foundation is putting together. So I'm taking away from this experience, this workshop, connections, right? So one thing is really important is the connections that we're building on the last conversation on, right, that we will connect across countries and learn from others, and hopefully in the future have projects together, right, proposals in this Amazonia experience. And it's really interesting because the ideas that we have in Ecuador are a bit different than what's doing in Brazil and Colombia and Peru. So it's a great opportunity to build upon these ideas, share our own, right, and improve on what we're doing. But also I think the most important thing I'm leaving with, or will leave with, is hope. And a lot of the conversations we have about the challenges we face, deforestation, climate change, all those challenges brought a little hope from these different initiatives and people that we can carry forward. Yeah, there's more than one connection or exchange that has moved me and found interesting. We had a discussion yesterday, and we're looking at a social bioeconomy and juxtaposing it against the conventional economies, and this idea of it can be something different outside, right? And it's based on what the Amazon has always done, right? And how what we can learn from the experience, what traditionally is done in the Amazon, can be brought out to a bigger world, right? And these traditional systems of harmony with the environment, working together rather than being competitive, right? Having these diversity of products that respects cultures and these different values can be something as an example to be shared and brought out.